Hey, it's September 22nd, and I have just finished up working a few weeks at the Duke Molecular and Physiology Lab, and so far we have just finished the boarding process, so making sure we've done all the safety modules and setting up our emails and all of our Duke account stuff, so that took a while and was pretty tedious, but we finally finished that. And recently in the last few days we've worked on pipetting and just with the main focus on that, understanding how like everything has to be so accurate and precise when you're doing such tiny amounts of liquid. It's really important to make sure that everything is consistent throughout all of the trials or all of the different samples that you're using. So the reason we're doing this is because of an awesome study that is taking place nationwide, dealing with how does oxytocin, the drug oxytocin, which is a chemical that is naturally produced in our brains, how does this drug given to kids with autism help improve social behavior? So specifically what Ben and I are working on is Ben with Steven working with DNA methylation, and I with Jason working on the copy number profiles. So just trying to see where in the genome certain genes are being expressed or not expressed, and how the drug oxytocin affects the expression of these genes. I hope that as time progresses, I'll understand how oxytocin works more on the molecular level and see the processes that we can use to isolate and observe what's going on, and hopefully this can help us to predict and cure and find ways of dealing better with autism and other diseases that affect so much of the world's population. Overall, I'm really excited to do this lab, and it's an amazing opportunity, and hopefully I learn more about how to use science in the real world, how to have a career out of it, how to contribute to the scientific community and to the broader world as a whole. And I know it's challenging and have to do some more reading to learn a lot of the terminology. I'll note that towards the end of this year I have an extensive knowledge on this subject and how to use scientific processes and work in a lab and collaborate with people to all work towards a common goal, and I'm really excited to do that.